Jai Sriman Narayana. 25th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Senai senaihi vuparamet buddhya dhruti gruhitaya आत्मसंस्थं मनः कृत्वा न किंचित् अपि चिन्तयेत्। ओम। Gradually, step by step, start practicing to fix your mind on the self, that is Atma. Think about nothing else. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma seriously recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall start practicing to fix my mind on the Atma Dhyanam. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Sriman Narayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma comes down into different avatarams and does this Srishti, Sthiti, Laya only to uplift all the souls from the cycle of birth and death. Such Paramatma karmani aparimeyani manasapi suresvaraihi saha sankarshanashchakre Bhagavan Madhusudanaha. Such Paramatma came down as Sri Krishna, and along with Sankarshana, along with Balarama, they have done such wonderful miraculous activities which cannot even be imagined by Sakshat Brahma, Rudra, Indra and all other Devatas. So that in future, in Kali Yugam, all the devotees, just by remembering those Paramatma Sri Krishna's divine activities and just by listening to Paramatma's divine qualities, people easily can be totally released from all the bondage caused by karmas. That is how Paramatma has done so many divine activities in the avataram of Sri Krishna. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 25th sloka. Shanai Shanai Ruparamet Buddhya Dhruti Gruhitaya Atmasamstam Manah Krutva Nakinchidapi Chintayet. Shanai Shanai Ruparamet Buddhya Dhruti Gruhitaya Atmasamstam Manah Krutva Nakinchidapi Chintayet. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.